Hi, welcome. It's Mary Ellen McGonagle with your Daily 5 for Wednesday, November 3rd. Bit of background for those not familiar, I do have quite a bit of experience both on and with Wall Street. I was a portfolio manager of $2 billion in assets in fixed income, but things really got exciting for me relating to the stock market when I joined William O'Neill and Company. And for 15 years, I traveled the globe teaching the O'Neill methodology of getting in front of these big winners just as they were taking off to professional money managers. And more recently, I have my own research firm, MEM Investment Research, where I author a top performing bi-weekly MEM Edge report. And at the end, stick around. I'll have a special offer so you can take a look at that report for a month. But let's dig into what we are going to be covering today, and that is base breakouts on a gap up in price. And the reason we're covering that is because these base breakouts, and if they are certainly on volume, can be what I call the ultimate base. So we are in the throes of earnings season. That's oftentimes when you will see this type of bullish pattern. So I'm going to begin by sharing with you an example, and this is Chipotle CMG. The example takes us back to the release of their second quarter earnings. You can see this gap up here, and take a look at the huge volume. Your outside momentum indicators were very constructive, and we can see that the stock went on to much greater heights. So let's take a look at our examples for now, currently. First up is DexCom, DXCM. Subscribers to my MEM Edge report will know all about this stock. It was a top performer in the NASDAQ 100 last week after experiencing this gap up into a base breakout after they reported earnings that were 39% above estimates. We also have that high volume characteristic, and then your outside momentum indicators are positive. The move thrusts the stock into an uptrend. From here, next up, we can take a look at Franklin Resources. BEN is the ticker symbol. They came out with their earnings release on Monday. The stock gapped up due to 125% year-over-year earnings growth, 50% above estimates. While that in itself was very compelling, the gap up on volume, it wasn't until the following days another gap up, which pushed the stock out of a very lengthy base. Also on high volume, your outside momentum indicators are positive, which has the stock poised to trade higher. From here, another stock. This is not earnings related, but it is news. It's Tower Semiconductor, TSEM. The stock had this gap up again into a nice base breakout. We can see high volume characteristics. It's all about news. TSEM is the top manufacturer of semiconductor chips, and they partnered with a firm that is going to provide them with new manufacturing processes that's expected to really expand their revenue. We can see the RSI above 50 and trending higher. Also your MACD in a very nice uptrend. As a note, TSEM is due to report their earnings next week. And then next up we have Under Armour UA. This is another earnings related gap up that took place on Tuesday. Again, super high volume. They reported earnings that were 107% above estimates. We can see the RSI heading north, as well as the MACD just now turning positive. One caveat here is that UA did pull back from a base breakout, so we will want to see the stock trade back up above that 22.5 level so that it can resume that nice uptrend. Last up, we can take a look at Tesla, and for those of you that saw my October 9th Your Daily 5, you'll know that this was one of 5 pre-earnings setups that I recommended in here. The stock did in fact come out with their earnings last week. Big gap up, pushed Tesla out of a 9-month base. And historically, the longer that base breakout length of time is, the longer your advance out of that base. And of course, Tesla, for those of you who follow the news, you'll know it's had a lot in the way of positive news subsequent to that strong earnings. The stock's in a very confirmed uptrend, getting very nice volume as it continues to trend higher. I mentioned a special offer for my MEM Edge report. You can go to my website, meminvestmentresearch.com. You'll have immediate access not only to the current MEM Edge report, but also to prior reports. And this offer is for 4 weeks for only $7. I want to say thank you for stopping by to your Daily 5.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.